Okay, guys, I'm gonna start off the video with apologizing. My niece is screaming, so you'll probably hear her in the background. Well, she's not screaming, she's just trying to get Alexa to play a song, so you might hear her. Second, I have posted to Google Classroom and I've put all the instructions on here. You are going to start off with an activity called Power Up the Game House. So it looks like this. This is on my cart, okay? And y'all need to be in only 5 groups. So make sure you have the numbers correct to where there's only 5 groups, okay? Each group is gonna get a little glass that's on my cart and fill it with 40 rice grains, and that's also on my cart. And each of these rice grains represents an energy unit that you're gonna use, okay? So you have this little table at the bottom, and you have 4 days that you have to fill it out for. On the first day, you're gonna decide which items are you gonna use, like which ones are necessary, okay? If you wanna use the air conditioner because it's, the hot Texas summer, you would put 7 grains right here. If you want to use the lamp the next day, you would put 1 energy unit right there, okay? So you're gonna do all that through day 4 and see if you have any extra left over. If you don't, that means you had just the right amount of energy. If you do have leftover energy, that means that you're really good at conserving energy, okay? So once y'all do the first side, which is page 1, you'll see that on the bottom right corner. Then you're gonna go down or flip over to the next side, which is page 2. The only difference with this page is that along with the 40 rice grains that you get from Cola Energy, you're also going to get energy from solar panels, and you can see that on the roof of this house, okay? I will let y'all know that day 2, 3, and 4 are sunny days. So that means when you get to day 2, day 3, and day 4, that means you get 5 extra rice grains each time, okay? Day 1 is really sad. It's a rainy, overcast day, so you don't get any solar energy, okay? So that's the activity for the, what is it called? Power Up the House game. So y'all follow the instructions from that. And then after y'all are done with that, throw away the rice that was in your cup and put the cups back on the cart and turn this paper in, okay? The next activity that you're gonna do is the first page of the research project. I don't know if y'all want to see my cat, but there she is. The first page of the Energy Resource Project, you'll notice that on the first page, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoa, there's my cat again. There's only 6 boxes that you're going to answer. You are going to go up to the teacher, and they will have 9 index cards with each of the energy resources on it. You're going to pick one of those cards, and that's going to be your energy resource that you write right here, okay? So for instance, one of the energy resources is coal, C-O-A-L. So if I were researching coal, I would write coal right here. And then it says, how is this natural resource formed? So I would go on Google and I would type in, how is coal formed? And then I would write it down here to the right. The next question, it says, is it renewable or non-renewable? Renewable means it can be replaced, it can be grown again, it can be created again. It's not going to go away anytime fast. Non-renewable means that it will not come back or it will take an extremely long time to create again. So go ahead and Google to see if your energy is renewable or non-renewable. Next question is, how is this natural resource used? So you're going to type in how is, and then your energy source used. There should be several different things that it's used for. Please write them all down. Then you're going to get down here. It's going to talk about the advantages and disadvantages of your energy. So if I was using coal, maybe one of the advantages is that it's easy to get. Like you can get it at pretty much any grocery store. If you need it for the factory, you can probably buy it in bulk because it's very readily available, right? If I was talking about disadvantages, I can mention that it creates greenhouse gases whenever it's burned, right? And the very last question, go ahead and answer that. If your resource is renewable, tell me what is Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, y'all. What is one way to conserve on your energy? If you have a renewable energy, you're just going to say it is renewable right here. Okay? So that is your last assignment. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Or probably one of the easiest ways to figure out things is if you could grab somebody from my classes from yesterday to kind of explain stuff. But feel free to email me, and I will try my best to get back to you as fast as I can. Okay? Bye, y'all.